Hey, good afternoon. I hope everything's going well with you guys. I just wanted to show you what I've done here. So last night I put the honey mustard and the O Canada spice on my ribs, and I put them in my smoker for 6 hours, and I put them at 225 degrees, and this is what we're looking at. So I'm close, but we're not quite done yet. We still have a few more things to do, and I will show you. Smoke and barbecue. Made the dressing or this glaze today, following the directions on this package. So it includes ketchup, unsweetened applesauce, and water. So made a beautiful 3 cups worth of barbecue sauce. So I'm going to put that on the ribs when I get them on the barbecue. Hang on a sec. Okay, so there we have our ribs that were done in the honey mustard for the binder and a O Canada glaze. So I'm going to put this onto the grill. What? Oh my. Okay. Put that onto the grill, and I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. That is my dog having a bath. One of my dogs. I'm going to leave that for a moment. Hey, well, we're back, and here are our ribs done on the barbecue with the smoked barbecue sauce. And I think they're ready to go. Have a look. I just put some corn and some foil and some baked potatoes. I think we're all ready to go. Thanks, and have a really great day. Bye.